This is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and today we will be replacing the handle on your Panasonic Toughbook FC55. Flip and remove the batteries. Most of the back plate screws have to come out, minus some in the middle here. The screws towards the handle are longer. Those are the corner screws. Once you have all the regular screws out, you just want to pull this up gently. Lift that up. There are these little rubber pieces here. You want to keep track of them. They don't have to come out, but it does make things a little easier when you're putting them back. Now we set this to the side. Take your little pieces and insert them on one side. The screw side of the handle needs to be on the same side as the back plate. You have to do some adjusting so that the washers fit correctly. I'll just do the same thing to the other side. Just make sure that the washers are lined up. And now you want to screw it back together. And once your screw's in, you're all set. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.